Welcome to this quick guide on unfollowing a channel on WhatsApp web on PC with the latest update. If you've been keeping up with WhatsApp on your computer, you might have noticed a few changes in the channel management flow. Here's a simple, step-by-step way to unfollow a channel without any fuss. First, open WhatsApp web in your browser and sign in if needed. Make sure you're connected to the internet so the app can load all your chats and channels properly. Once you are in, look to the left side menu where your chats and channels are listed. At the top of this area, you'll see the channel icon, which represents the space where all the channels you follow are organized. Click that channel icon to switch the view to your channels. Now that you're viewing your channels, scan the list on the left to find the specific channel you want to unfollow. You can scroll through the list or use any available search feature to locate it quickly. When you spot the channel, hover your cursor over its entry to reveal more options. Right-click on the channel's name to open a contextual menu with actions you can take. In the menu that appears, look for the Unfollow option. Click Unfollow to initiate the process. A confirmation prompt will appear to ensure you really want to stop following this channel. Confirm your choice and the channel will be removed from your followed list. After confirmation, the channel will no longer appear in your channel feed, and you won't receive updates from it anymore. If you ever change your mind, you can always search for the channel again and follow it afresh. You're resuming notifications and updates as you prefer. That's all there is to it. The update keeps the unfollow action straightforward while you manage what you see on WhatsApp web from your PC.